We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the LC-dolida Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The LC-dolida Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband is designed to address a common challenge: how to enjoy audio comfortably while sleeping, relaxing, or exercising without the discomfort of traditional earbuds or the hassle of tangled wires. This product combines a soft, stretchy headband with integrated ultra-thin Bluetooth speakers, aiming to provide a seamless listening experience whether you're in bed, meditating, or on the move. From the outset, users consistently highlight comfort as one of the defining features of this headband. Constructed with highly elastic and breathable materials, including a durable braided cord and a high elastic lining, the headband is sweat-absorbent and designed to fit most users with ease. Many reviewers note that the material feels soft against the skin, making it suitable for extended wear throughout the night or during long meditation sessions. The fabric is gentle enough to avoid irritation, and the headband's flexibility means it accommodates a range of head sizes, including those who typically struggle with tightness in other brands. A standout feature is the integration of Bluetooth 5.2 technology, which ensures robust wireless connectivity with a wide range of devices. Users appreciate the ease of pairing the headband with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled electronics, allowing for quick setup and uninterrupted playback. This is particularly valuable for those who enjoy listening to music, podcasts, or white noise as part of their bedtime routine. The absence of wires eliminates the risk of tangling during sleep, which is a common complaint with traditional earphones. The built-in speakers are another focal point in user feedback. The headband incorporates high-quality speakers directly into the fabric, utilizing an ultra-elastic silicone outer ring to produce deep bass and a lightweight, flexible composite biocellulose dome to deliver mids and highs with enhanced clarity. While the sound quality is generally described as good for the intended use, it is important to note that these are not high-fidelity audiophile headphones. The audio output is well-suited for sleep environments, meditation, or casual listening, with enough clarity and volume for most users. However, some reviewers mention that the maximum volume is moderate and the headphones are not noise-canceling, which can be a positive or negative depending on individual needs. For those who prefer some awareness of their surroundings, such as being able to hear a partner or household sounds, the lack of active noise cancellation is seen as a benefit. Others who seek total isolation from external noise may find this feature lacking, especially in louder environments like airplanes. The headband's design also doubles as an eye mask, effectively blocking out light for users who are sensitive to visual distractions while sleeping. This dual functionality is frequently cited as a major advantage, especially for shift workers, travelers, or anyone who requires a dark environment to fall asleep. The mask holds its shape well over time, maintaining coverage and comfort even after repeated use. Battery life is another area where the LC-dolida headband receives praise. The product claims a battery life of over 14 hours on a full charge, with a charging time of just 1 to 2 hours. In practice, users report that the headband easily lasts through a full night's sleep, typically 6 to 8 hours, and is still playing when they wake up. Importantly, if the battery runs out during the night, the device does not emit loud beeps or alerts that could disturb sleep. This thoughtful touch is appreciated by those who have been jolted awake by other devices in the past. Ease of maintenance is a critical consideration for any wearable, and the LC-dolida headband is designed to be washable after removing the speakers. While this feature is intended to help users maintain hygiene and freshness, some reviewers express frustration with the process of removing and reinserting the electronic components. The lack of a secure mechanism to keep the speakers in place can lead to them shifting within the fabric, requiring frequent adjustments to maintain optimal sound positioning. For some, this is a minor inconvenience, while others find it detracts from the overall usability, especially if the speakers migrate away from the ears during sleep. A few users have resorted to stitching the components in place, though this is not an ideal solution and may not be feasible for everyone. Durability is generally rated positively, with the headband holding up well to regular use. The soft material retains its shape and comfort over time, and the electronics are protected by a silicone cover that is friendly to side sleepers. However, as with any fabric-based product, long-term wear and repeated washing may eventually affect the elasticity and fit. Users who sweat heavily during workouts or use the headband in humid conditions may need to clean it more frequently, and some suggest using fabric sanitizer or UV sanitizing devices as alternatives to frequent washing. In terms of performance, the LC-dolida sleep headphones excel in providing a comfortable, wire-free listening experience for sleep, meditation, and light exercise. The sound quality is sufficient for ambient noise, guided meditation, or casual music, and the battery life supports extended use without frequent recharging. The headband's ability to double as an eye mask adds value, making it a versatile accessory for travel or shift work. The lack of active noise cancellation and moderate volume output may be drawbacks for those seeking complete isolation or use in noisy environments. But for most users, these are acceptable trade-offs given the comfort and convenience offered. Several reviewers compare the LC-dolida headband to similar products from other brands, such as Musicozy. While some prefer the fit and comfort of the LC-dolida, others note that the internal components in competing products are more securely anchored, reducing the need for constant adjustment. The choice between brands may come down to individual preferences regarding fit, fabric softness, and ease of maintenance. Price is another factor, with the LC-dolida headband often described as a good value for the money, especially considering its impact on sleep quality and daily routines. The headband's versatility extends beyond sleep. Users report wearing it while walking, working around the house, or even during meditation sessions with apps like Calm. The ability to listen to audio discreetly, without the discomfort of earbuds or the visibility of over-ear headphones, makes it a practical solution for a variety of settings. The headband also keeps ears warm in cooler weather, adding to its appeal for outdoor use. Despite its many strengths, the LC-dolida sleep headphones are not without flaws. The most common complaints relate to the shifting of speakers within the band, the somewhat cumbersome process of removing components for washing, and the lack of high-volume output or noise cancellation. These issues may be more pronounced for users with specific needs, such as those who sleep in particularly noisy environments or who require precise audio positioning for optimal listening. In summary, the LC-dolida sleep headphones Bluetooth headband is a thoughtfully designed product that addresses the comfort and convenience needs of users seeking a better audio experience during sleep, relaxation, or light activity. Its soft, stretchy material, integrated Bluetooth speakers, and dual function as an eye mask make it a popular choice for a wide range of users. While there are some areas for improvement, particularly in securing the internal components and simplifying the washing process, the overall feedback is positive. Most users find that the headband significantly enhances their ability to relax, meditate, or fall asleep to their favorite sounds without the discomfort of traditional headphones. For the price, it offers excellent value and has become an essential accessory for many. If you have experience with the LC-dolida sleep headphones Bluetooth headband, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide in-depth reviews like this one.